Hi there everyone and welcome back. We're starting off the new year with a Christmas pudding no-bake cheesecake. This is a great recipe to use up any leftover Christmas pudding following the Christmas holidays. Alright, let's get started. For this cheesecake I'm making a digestive biscuit base. If you want to try something a little different, you could substitute a couple of the digestive biscuits for a few ginger nut biscuits, and this combination would be lovely with this cheesecake as well. Mix in the melted butter and smooth the top. Place in the fridge to chill for about half an hour. While the cheesecake base is chilling, we can get started on the cheesecake filling. The first thing we need to do is we need to make a Christmas pudding puree. So to do this, you need to pop the Christmas pudding, Brandy, Guinness and the zest of one orange into a food processor. You can substitute the Brandy and Guinness for orange juice if you wish. Blitz together until you get a soft puree just like this. Now we can use this in our cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, mix together cream cheese, vanilla extract and icing sugar until soft. Mascarpone cheese is great in cheesecakes. It's lovely and firm, and I often use a mix of mascarpone and cream cheese together. This looks perfect, just the way we want it, and now we can add the Christmas pudding puree. Spoon it all in, it smells so good, all those lovely Christmassy smells. Mix it in, and when fully combined we can add the double cream. I have to say this Christmas pudding cheesecake is absolutely fabulous, and if you're not a big fan of Christmas pudding, why not try it in a cheesecake, and I'll bet you'll love it too. Mix one last time until the mixture gets nice and thick and you start to see trails appear on the top, just like this. Just be careful not to overmix, as you don't want the mixture to split. This tin I'm using is an 8-inch 20cm springform tin, and I find these tins brilliant for making cheesecakes. There's no need to line them or grease them, and the cheesecake comes out real easy. Spoon all the cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base and level the top. Smooth as best as you can. That's perfect, and it's ready for the fridge. It needs to chill for about 7 hours, or preferably overnight, which I always do. When it's ready, remove the cheesecake from the tin, pop it on a serving plate. I'm decorating this with slices of clementines, which I've sprinkled with brown sugar and caramelised under the grill. If you have a blowtorch either, it'd be great to do this. Just make sure the clementines are cool before you put them on top of the cheesecake. I think you'll all agree it looks fantastic and the colours are just beautiful. You'll find the full recipe for this Christmas pudding cheesecake in the description box under the video. As you can see, this cheesecake is lovely and firm. There's nothing worse than a runny cheesecake. I don't use gelatin in any of my cheesecakes as I don't like the texture of it. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate all your support. Please subscribe or follow my page if you haven't already. I hope you try out this Christmas pudding cheesecake. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!